Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the stage configuration improvement in Odoo 19 field service. So let's dive into the field service module, and from here we can just move on to the configuration, and here we will be able to find the stages. So if you want to just create a new stage, it is very easy to add a new stage over here, and let me create a new stage. So I would like to create a new stage called proposition, and let's add that. And here you can see that once we create a new stage, the field service project will be added over here by default. And upon clicking on view button here, you can see that we can just add the SMS template or email template. And if you just want to set any particular color for this, we can also set that. And if we want to just fold this in the Kanban view, we can also just enable it. And it is mandatory to choose a project over here. And if you want to add multiple project, we can just add iframe here. So let me save the changes that I have made, and you can see that we have just added the project under the stage proposition. And if you want to see the projects, you can just move on to the projects over here. And here you can see that we have a project over here which has been created. And if you want to create a new project, you can also create a new project from here. Let's say it's office party. And let me save the project over here. And afterwards, if you want to just view the task and all, you can view the task. Currently we know that we haven't created any task for this project, and you can see that created stage over here, and which is in folded state. And when you just move on to the other one, that is the project, you can see that in this case also we can see that there are 18 um task over here, and these stages just folded. And if you want to just unfold that, you can also just unfold. And if you want to change any particular uh project into this stage, you can also just do that. Okay, so this is the improvement that we can find under the um, in the stage configuration. And here you can see that as we just drag a certain task and the projects into it, we will be able to find all those under the created stage. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. Thank you for watching the video.